Would you like to keep track of all service information for your ID? Your ID will notify you if a service is due. If you would like to check in advance which service event is due next, open the Vehicle Service in-car app. Here you'll find all service-relevant notifications, for example about upcoming inspections. Store your preferred Volkswagen partner in your Volkswagen App. Here, you can directly contact your Volkswagen partner or send a specific request if you like. Find a list of sent requests here. You can also authorize your Volkswagen partner to contact you directly. You will find service information for your ID not only in the vehicle. You can also access it via your smartphone. In the Volkswagen app, you can view the vehicle status of your ID at any time, for example, conveniently from home. And if you have any questions, your Volkswagen partner will be happy to help ensure that your ID always remains a reliable companion.
Volkswagen.